How to sign up to GuruMedia. Signing up for GuruMedia as an affiliate lets you earn commissions by promoting their product or services, and I'm here to just teach you that. So first things first, let's go ahead and look for GuruMedia affiliate here in Google. There you go. So as you can see, you have here GuruMedia, the exclusive CPS affiliate network. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here, or you can also just click this one right away, and then you will be redirected here where you can already start signing up for the affiliate program. So what you are going to do from this point forward is basically fill in all the necessary information. So you have here the name, of course, the email, and the phone number. Alright, so you have here down below the company. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one here and choose individual, and I'm going to go ahead and call this one Easy Weber Official or Easy Weber Unofficial. And there you go. Address is very important as well. So basically all you have to do is fill in all this necessary information right here, and that is what I'm going to do now. So you have here the additional information. So the Skype username is actually very important. I'm going to go ahead and put mine here. LinkedIn profile, I'm also going to go ahead and put it there. And you have here types of offers you run the most. So go ahead and choose between the following options here. I'm going to go ahead and choose CPL this time. What type of traffics do you currently run? So I'm going to go ahead and put this one as native ads or native advertisement. And what verticals do you focus on? If you're not sure about this question, so go ahead and click this question mark here, and you will be able to see here some sort of examples that you can use. For example, okay, we're going to go ahead and try to proceed, say for example, games and entertainment. What are the top 3 GEOs you get traffic from? So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, North America, Asia or South Asia, and then Southeast Asia. What are some offer names you're running now? Alright, so this time we are going to go ahead and choose Streamlabs, for example, and top affiliate network. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Amazon Associates. And then for the average payout, let's go ahead and choose something like this. Are you active? Okay, yes. What year were you born? So I was born in 1997, say for example. And I'm going to go ahead and say for example, advertisement or YouTube advertisement. Alright, there you go. So this time we're going to go ahead and click this one here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then hit the apply button. Oh, the region, I forgot. So I'm from Cebu. There you go. Click apply. Alright, there you go. So your account is now pending. Watch the video below for additional instructions. So basically it is the same with all the other types of affiliate programs. We're just going to have to wait for them to basically be able to send us some follow-ups and give us the instructions for what to do next in order to complete signing up for these affiliate programs. So yep, that's what you're going to do from now. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to sign up to GuruMedia. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.